a word on the board, and then I'm going to ask if anyone knows how to say the word on the board before we put it up here, okay? All right, first word. Don't shout out answers. Tony.
Left.
What is the word? Left. Okay. So I want you to put left, sounding out all the words, all the sounds. Put it where it goes in your column. Left.
We have many kids here at Lakeside that struggle in reading. They don't have the reading skills that they need to succeed.
The reality is that we have students at all levels, students of all ages, all grades, that struggle with reading in some capacity.
I spent a lot of years explaining my heart out, right? But even if I explain my heart out, but you still can't read the text, it doesn't matter how engaging, interesting, or how many pictures I draw.
The consequence of not addressing is that we're going to have kids that fall behind, and as the grades progress, the gap becomes bigger.
Literacy is a problem everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're in a disadvantaged urban area, it doesn't matter if you're in an affluent area or somewhere in between. There are literacy difficulties everywhere and in every classroom, in every school.
The King's Literacy Initiative Pact is an agreement by all the participants from Kings County that we're going to change things in Kings County. We're going to make a difference for our students, for our population, for our citizens.
The beauty of what KLIP is doing here is they're marrying the community, the schools, so that they can all work together for a common goal, which is higher level literacy for all.
Our first goal was to host one training with a few teachers. We wanted to get 14 teachers, and we got 35, plus 15 of their administrators.
I'm fascinated by it. A little challenging at first, trying to get rid of some old habits, but I've been calling everyone I know that has young kids. I know it benefits all because it's benefiting me today. I've learned to spell some words I didn't know how to spell.
Contagious. What's my first syllable of contagious? Say that right, Simone. That was perfect. So what is happening in the training is the teachers are learning the research-based concepts, skills, and activities to be able to teach to their learners.
The science of reading, this body of knowledge, is pretty crystal clear on how the brain reads, how it processes print.
Yep. Write it and say yep.
There is no reading circuit in our brain. We aren't born with one.
All right, go ahead and write hyphen. Say your sound. Say it as you write, guys. Hyphen.
Every time you watch one of those lessons, it just brings a smile to your face because there's so many of those bright moments we look for when we're in classrooms, where the kids' eyes just light up because they're able to do something they didn't think they could accomplish.
We know that if we can do it here in Kings County and have that kind of growth and support, that this same model can be translated and done in any community.